Hey, we're gonna get to the typewriter here in a minute. I just love typewriters. Here we go. Look at this. Is that not great? Kubrick and the typewriter. Tom Hanks is just flipping out. Oh, I know this typewriter. I know what kind of typewriter this is. Dear Dad, how's everything? I've gone through much sadness and hardship. I'm married. I'm gonna have a baby. I'm going to, because we don't have enough, because we don't have, um, I'm going nuts because we don't have enough to pay our debts and get out of here. Please send us a check so we can cash the check.